Christmas, huh?
Yeah.
Welcome back to Fist Fight. Well, guys, today we're doing unboxing. This one actually he received for Christmas last year and haven't had a chance to open it up. Kind of had too much stuff going on and all that, other videos, and now we're decided to. It's December, almost Christmas time again. So you could rewrap it and give it to him again, technically, but so nevertheless, we're just that. So it's Shark Beach Battle. They like the Baby Shark song, huh?
Yeah.
Baby Shark, yeah. So I'm gonna help them open real quick. I know my knife is a little dull right now, using too much. Сейчас. Все, давайте, открывайте. Не так, стой. Вот здесь, стой. Было. Давайте. I'm gonna put a pause. We're gonna open it up together so we don't. All right. So nevertheless, sтой. All right. So Shark Beach instructions. So here you go. All right. Стойте, надо. All right, they're unboxing right now, and I might gonna have to do a little pause on it. So they have dinosaur. I remember that. I remember this dinosaur. This dinosaur. I've seen some of this on sale at Walmart, so you can basically build your own one. And where's the shark? Is right here. The stickers. Nakaliki. Сейчас да. I guess you figured one out, huh? Вот это помочь?
Да.
Сейчас. Стой. Давай дальше. Стой. Давай, вот так. So he's figuring something out. Let's see. Да. Сейчас. Ну, чтобы коробку не поломать, давайте аккуратно вытащим, да? Вот. I guess once again, not all the Hot Wheels can fit in here. Some are too wide or too tall, like the pickup trucks. So, all right, let me just put on pause and get this out. This is a little Hot Wheel. All right, so it says what? 4-2 right here. Sorry for the little blurriness. So what 4-2? I'm gonna have to look it up what it is and do a little review on it. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, Ты что делаешь? No, Эльдар, стой, не ломай. All right, we're gonna do. Let me do pause again. Sorry, guys. It's kind of one of those things I need to do a pause, look it up, and assemble it. All right. So first things first, we're gonna go from right here, assembly. Сейчас. So we need this piece. Сейчас, да. That goes right here. Click. Oh, what? So this one goes right here. All right, let me put a pause on it real quick and click again. All right, so step 2 is this shark goes right in here with that little gap. So just how it is, it's supposed to go through just like that. See, once it hits, if it catches it, it catches. If it's not, and see who wins. So this is the water. Так, sticker. All right, so this is. We're done with this, step 2. Now we're doing the step 3. All right, and then step 4. So. All right, so 1 and 2, it says we're right here, on top of each other. But уйди, не наступай. Не наступай, подожди. All right, so next thing it says this, which means 1 and 2 stick on each other, and then this one goes just like this, I believe. Let me check real quick. So, Belle, не мешай. All right, so let's see. This goes click right on it, huh? Just like that. Let me see. All right, so that's how it goes, like this. Yep. As you see, this piece, number 2, sticks on the top of this piece. So next thing, the bottom is the poles. We need the poles. So. All right. So next step is this piece. See, it goes right in here, just like that, with this cutout that fits right in. So it clicks perfect. All right. So that. There you go. Our road is almost done. Now we need is the pole. With these poles go right in here. Just like that. No. Other way around. There you go. So our next is these 2 leftovers for right now, and then the road. So that's that. Is that day? All right. So this piece, see this round, goes right in here. This little groove, just like that. This puncher, or the booster, or whatever you want to call it, goes into here. Like that. Sorry guys, kind of awkward doing one hand. This is the legs for this piece. So that means they stand on it. All right. All right, so this is how it goes, and our road is done. And I guess what we're gonna do, there you go, see where it lands. So that goes right in here, and we, hold on, punch it. And I won. I don't know how, but look at this. Even let first. And what you could do is actually do another little extension right here. Just like that. So let's do it again. There's something in the shark mouth. So there you go. That's how it goes. You can actually open its mouth a lot more wider just by pushing this button right here. And let's see. And you can actually extend it all the way. You can make rounds. See if I do it hard enough. Way too hard. So just like that. That's how we play. All right. Last but not least, all we have to do is put the stickers on. Let's see where they go. Let's look at this little board. Clipboard. That one has here already. So number 1, where's number 1 sticker? Right here. So okay, 1, 2. The Hot Wheel goes for the side right here, I guess. Let's see. There you go, just like that. Yep. So. All right, so stickers go right here. As you see, 2, 2, 1, 1. And then that one goes right here. That's it. Only 3 stickers. That we need to put it on. And meanwhile, детки, идите сюда. Давай, бей. О-о. Застряла, но не укусилась, да? Ну-ка давай. Ну иди бери другую. Она там хоть поместится, нет?
Да, поместится.
Ну-ка попробуй. No. Видишь, она чересчур большая. Другую возьми, маленькую какую-нибудь. Oh, what? Is that salt shaker?
Papa,
Uh-oh. Now he's doing the Porsche police car. Dang. That's a good... Stój. Popraw to. Вот так. Теперь давай, бей. There you go. That's their other toy, guys. The Shark Beach Battle. So there you go. О, ты выиграл. Давай, ну-ка, Белла. Oh, I guess they're doing a little too hard, I guess. But it's all good. There you go. Not bad. That was a good one. Well, thanks for watching, guys, for helping us assemble. Meanwhile, maybe let us know what kind of Hot Wheel track you want us to pick it up. Meanwhile, have a safe, happy late Thanksgiving. Oh, wow. And it didn't even get eaten. So, So, nevertheless, Ella, Bella, покажите bye. Помашите bye. Скажи like, subscribe. Скажите.
And more.
See you next time, скажи.